वेलकम टू दिस अनदर वीडियो सेशन ऑन एंगुलर सीरीज। तो आज का वीडियो में हम एंगुलर का सेटअप करेंगे एप्लीकेशन को। तो एप्लीकेशन हम लोग जो बनाने वाले थे, पहले सोचा था कि हम लोग बनाएंगे बुक स्टोर एप्लीकेशन, वो भी बनाएंगे। वो बाद में बनाएंगे। अभी जो सेशन मैं सोच रहा हूँ बनाने के लिए एप्लीकेशन, वो बनाऊंगा मैं एक जिम मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, जहाँ पे पूरी फंक्शनैलिटी होगी, सब कुछ बताऊंगा। बैक एंड भी बताऊंगा, फ्रंट एंड भी बताऊंगा, जैसे मैंने बताया था आपको। तो इस वीडियो में सीरियसली मैं एंगुलर एप्लीकेशन को सेटअप करूंगा हम लोग। तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले क्या करना पड़ता है, आपको पहले तो एक तो पैकेज डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा। कौन सा पैकेज? नोड जेएस। अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो आप इंस्टॉल कर दें। मैं स्टेप बता देता हूँ नोड जेएस किस तरह से इस्तेमाल करना है, यूज करना। आपको इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा, नोड जेएस सर्च करेंगे, नोड जेएस की साइट आ जाएगी। आपको यहाँ पे दो वर्जन दिखेंगे, एलटीएस दिखेंगे, करंट दिखेंगे। आपको करंट वर्जन चूज करना है। कुछ लोग बोलेंगे यार एलटीएस कर दो, करंट वर्जन में बग्स रहेंगे, ये रहेंगे। भाई देखो, मुझे तो कभी आज तक कभी बग्स दिखे नहीं करंट वर्जन में। और बहुत अच्छा करंट वर्जन ही करे, जो लेटेस्ट वर्जन है आपका। करंट वर्जन जो है मेरा 18.3.0। और एक एरर आता है, पीयर डिपेंडेंसी एरर, उसके बारे में बात करेंगे। क्योंकि कुछ लोग, अगर आप सर्च करेंगे वो एरर आप फेस कर रहे हैं, तो आपको एक सजेशन जरूर मिलेगा। आप इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, यू आर यूजिंग द करंट वर्जन, दैट्स व्हाई यू आर फेसिंग दिस इशू। if this is the scenario, like you are you will get this kind of solution everywhere, like in the your when you will search in your Google, you will get this solution. But this the myth people are spreading. This is not responsible for peer dependency. We will cover upon this topic in this video only, like after some time. So be in touch in the video, like watch the video till end, so that you can't so you can get this why we are facing that error as well. Okay, so you have to install this. Click on this correct one, then you will get a setup exe, and you have to install this. It is very simple. Don't install any chocolate that you can avoid that. So let's talk about this Angular CLI. I'll search Angular CLI here, and here like I will go to this Angular. This is an Angular website. I will find this site. Like you have to install this npm -g Angular at the CLI. Okay, you can run this command. I already have an Angular installed in my system, so I will not run this like command. Let's go to this M drive. I have a folder like Angular. Okay, I have a folder like Angular. Okay, okay. Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me create one more folder, subfolder inside this project. Let's do pro. Let's keep it pro. And inside that, I will be creating all of my projects kind of stuff. So what I will be doing, I will run cmd here. I have this command palette running. Let's be zoom a bit so that you are able to see. It's going to be. I think I didn't press npm install or anything. Okay, it happened automatically. Okay, so to run this command, it's globally, it's going to install the application globally. So like you can run it Angular from any place. Okay. After that you have these commands, ng help kind of stuff, you can do that. Our important command is this one. We have to run this command. So let's run this command. It's available here. Okay, where's my cmd? I'm using the cmd. Okay, and I will not write this my ng first product. Let's write a very good name. I have some gym name. Let's keep it any name, you can keep it any name. Ng is for like Angular we are using. No, we write ng new, and new for like new. We are creating a new project, and it's the project name what we have to keep it. So let me run this. It will take some time, and you will get it like, okay, I have inside the pro folder only. Okay, okay, I'm inside the pro folder only. And this it is asking like, would you like to add routing in this? So yes, I need a routing. Later on also we can add it. What's the site sheet you want to choose? I can use a down arrow to change that. I need css because I'm familiar with css. Okay, it will install some of the package, and you can see here like a folder is created using the gym I have kept this name, a weird name I think so. But like you can write any name of your choice. So we are what we are going to do in this project. Like, let's give you an overview. Like, we are going to build first of all like dashboard, admin panel, dashboard layer where we will mention all the like what are the trainers are available in our in our gym, and we have some we will maintain the record of our clients as well, like whosoever is entering our gym, that record also we will be mentioning, like whether they have membership they have renewed or not, and that kind of stuff also we will be maintaining. And most importantly, in the UI side, the front end side, we will be keeping all the whatever displaying all the trainer names, and we can say like what are the packages available and how we can buy it online. That also like we will be showing in that front end. Okay. So, and what I'm thinking, like, let's use something like what is the what is the let me ask you a question, like what CSS framework we should use, whether we should use a bootstrap, material UI, or whether we can use the tailwind CSS. So you have to comment down as per the comments, like I will as per the majority whatever they will say, like that CSS framework I will be using in this project. So let's like our packages are getting installed, and you can say like it's showing like LF will be replaced by CLF, that kind of stuff. It's showing like this. Okay, okay, it is installed. Now what I have to do? Let's me close this. I don't need it. I will go inside this project. I will add CMD here. For running any project, you might be knowing like I have to use what I have to use. I have to use code, and then I can what I can do. I can press dot. I will be able to open the VS Code. Let me open using this way, like this way, like also I can open this. Okay, test all authors. Yes. Okay. Let's go back to the CMD. Now I will run the command ng space g space s, ng space s to run the command, and I will run that application, and I will use -o. -o is to open the directly in a web browser, which is your default web browser. So our default web browser, it will open in that. So it will take a little bit of time, and it will start the application. Okay. Now coming to the topic, one more topic like that we are going to cover. Peer dependency error. What is this peer dependency error like? It occurs when you are using a Node.js. It generally occurs like why it's occurring, that we are going to cover in this video. Like, so there are some steps that you have to follow. I have already done the did just steps, so I don't know, I will be not doing it again and again. So let me show you. This is one of the site, like I found it. What you have to do, you have to run this command npm npm install minus minus save legacy peer dependency. This you have to install this package, and again you have to install npm install minus minus force. It's happening globally. And the last command, this npm config set legacy peer deps true, that you have to set it as true. It happens generally happens like when you have packages, like if you are not doing this kind of this commands of not running, then you will not be able to install any package further on in Angular packages. You will not be allowed to install. So for that you have to run these commands. So let's show in one of the folder like what it is being changed. Okay, let me show this folder also. Have this .npm mrc file. It will be available in the node.js wherever you have installed. I installed in my local disk, so I am getting this. Okay, remember my choice. Open. Okay. You can see like legacy peer depth true. It is true, like because I have studied as true. I will be doing this because if I don't do this, then I will not be able to install any packages. So now I'm able to install, and after this you will be able to install these packages. And don't listen the myths, like myths. There are myths like you have to install this LTS version only. That is wrong. That is not a solution. Solution is like you have to run these packages and set this config set legacy peer depths true. Then only like your peer dependency will be removed. Okay. So this is our application. You can see like I'm getting a sample header, and you can see like I'm getting this CLI documentation, have Angular material, Angular broth kind of stuff. These are the packages. Let's see how it's responsive or not. Okay, it's responsive. I think so. It's responsive. They have written, I think they have written a lot of CSS in this file. Let me show you that as well. Inside the src folder I have this app component.html, and you can see so much of styles they have used there. I don't know why so much of styles, like you can see like so much of CSS they have used, because they have not done any package. We will be using some CSS framework, so that we don't have to write all these CSS class. It's a bunch of classes, and you can see like these are the responsive things also they have done. So you can imagine like. So in the next video, what we will doing, we will remove all these codes and make it a clean. Let's do it right now only. Like let's remove these classes. I don't need this kind of stuff, so I will be removing all the classes. Okay, page up. Let me remove this. I will print only h2 tag, and I will print here. Let's give it. I'm. You can see like it's automatically refreshed because it is running in the console. You can see it's running, all the commands are running. And one more thing, we can right click and inspect this. If you get something of the other errors, like you will get it. You will in the console you can get all the error. I'm getting this error like dot includes error. I think this one I am facing every time. Like this is the error. Like I can't say like something is declared but not used. I think so. Anybody can, if anyone has any idea about this one, they can comment out like what's error. You can ignore for now this error, like content.bundle.ts kind of stuff. Okay. This was a starting video. We covered upon like how we can set up our Angular application. In the next video, like we will be covering upon, we will be making this more beautiful by adding some of the CSS framework, and we will start working on this. So I will meet you in some other video. Till then, bye and take care.